Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Google Cloud Compute Engine reachability checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Google Cloud Compute Engine reachability checks, start by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Compute Engine section in the left sidebar. Select VM instances from the drop-down menu. Locate the virtual machine instance you want to check. Click on the instance name to open its details page. Scroll down to find the Network Interfaces section. Take note of the private and external IP addresses listed. Open a new browser tab and navigate to the Google Cloud Shell. Start the Cloud Shell by clicking on the terminal icon in the top right corner. Use the command ping followed by the instance's external IP address. Observe the results to see if the instance is reachable. Next, check if there are any firewall rules affecting accessibility. Navigate to the VPC Network section in the left sidebar. Click on Firewall Rules to view the existing rules. Ensure there is a rule allowing incoming traffic to the relevant port. If not, create a new firewall rule by clicking the Create Firewall Rule button. Configure the rule to allow traffic from your desired source IP range. Specify the protocols and ports for your application. Once the rule is created, return to your VM instance details. Try pinging the external IP again to see if the reachability has improved. If needed, repeat the process for any additional instances. Now you can perform further connectivity tests using tools like curl or telnet. This will help verify that your applications are running as expected. Continue monitoring the reachability status regularly for optimal performance. Congratulations, you have learned how to verify Google Cloud Compute Engine reachability checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.